Earlier this year, I mentioned in one of my videos that someday I would like to investigate building a budgeting app. And I'm not joking, I think the same week that video came out, a programmer named Scott reached out. He had already built the bones of one, and he asked me if I wanted to basically help finalize it and bring it to market. Today, that app is live. It's called Dollar Designator. The link is below in the description, and there's already a full setup tutorial video on my channel, and I'll have a link for that in the description as well. So why does a new budgeting app even need to exist? Because I think this fills a void in the budgeting space that is genuinely needed. Dollar Designator is about the most raw form of envelope budgeting there is, and I love it for that. Here's what I mean. If you've used the physical cash envelope system, you know how it works. If an envelope is empty, you have to stop spending from it, or you have to transfer money from another envelope. You literally can't spend more than you have. In my opinion, that's the best debt-free budgeting method there is. But not everyone wants to pull hundreds, if not thousands of dollars out of their bank account every time they get paid just to stay in the system. So I partnered with Scott to essentially make this digital. You designate every single dollar of your paycheck into your envelopes. You assign each transaction to the envelope that it belongs to, or split it across envelopes. Same discipline, you just don't have to run to the bank to grab cash. Now, here's what I like most about this compared with other budgeting apps. Most budgeting apps set your budget on a monthly timeline. Some do it on other timelines like weekly. The month starts, you fill in your numbers, you add your transactions, and then in the next month, you do it over again. Few, if any, are set up like Dollar Designator. With Dollar Designator, all you're dealing with are envelopes. You essentially have like a sinking fund for each category, and the balance just seamlessly transfers into the next month. So, quick example. Say you budget $500 for groceries this month. You do so by moving $500 into your groceries envelope. Now, it turns out you're very intentional with your food this month, and you only spend $400 of your grocery envelope. That extra $100 just stays in that envelope. The next time you get a paycheck, all you have to do is add $400 into that envelope for the coming month, not the full 500. All you really have to do is just add into each envelope what you need for it. But this works perfectly for saving for things too. So if you have a vacation coming up in 10 months and you know that it's gonna cost like $2,000, just every month, just designate $200 of your paycheck into that envelope. When vacation comes around, you got $2,000 saved up, ready to spend. These envelopes make it truly simple budgeting. Now, here's what you can do with Dollar Designator. You can create unlimited envelopes. You can import transactions using your bank's exported CSV files. You can add transactions manually, and you can transfer money between your envelopes if you need to. Right now, it's a web app. It works great on the computer, on your tablet, on your phone. Now, let me be clear. This app is by no means perfect. Right now, it's for sure a usable budget, but we're working on making it better and more powerful, like adding bank connectivity, adding better predictive budgeting, and showing you insights that will help you make better decisions about how to handle your money. I really believe that this app can help everyday people budget successfully, pay off debt, and live financially free lives. I'm not just blowing smoke. I really believe that. So Editing Caleb here with our deal. This is totally free to sign up today. Everyone who signs up, regardless of when, will get a 60-day free trial. It's totally free, no credit card or debit card required. But if you're one of the first 100 people to sign up, you'll get the entire first year of premium discounted for $24.95. That's budget software for an entire year for only $25, which is less than half of the normal $54 annual cost. I'll announce more about the breakdown of tiers soon, but for now, here's our plan. Our plan is to have a free version with essentially all the tools that it has right now, just with a few limitations. And then the premium tier, which will add bank connectivity with automatic transaction importing and unlimited envelopes. This discount is our way of saying thank you to any early adopters who want to help us make this better. Now, here's my ask. Sign up, use it, and then come back and give me real feedback. Email us at connect@dollardesignator.com. But here's the thing. Don't tell me that you don't like the app without telling me why you don't like the app. Tell me what's confusing. Tell me what's missing. Tell me how we can make it better. The only way for us to improve this is to hear from you. If Dollar Designator even helps a fraction of you manage your money better, pay off debt, and live financially free, then we've accomplished our goal. I'd be honored if you signed up and gave it a shot. Link is below, so we'll see you in the tutorial.